How are you? I hope you're doing good, traders. I hope you're doing good. So yeah, guys. I woke up today morning. When I opened the chart, I saw that I was tagged in this trade. I placed the trade yesterday on USD. I had my buy limits. As you can see. Let me do this. I had my buy limit exactly here. You can see this cross here. I had my buy limit right there, so I was tagged in yesterday. When I woke up today morning, I saw that I was checked in, so I decided to do a video for you guys. And this is a live account, guys. As you can see, this is a live account. So I'm currently in this trade. So far this week, I took only one trade. So yeah, guys, we'll see what the market wants to do. And remember, guys, that today is CPI. Before CPI news get released, I want to move my stop loss to break even because I don't trust the market, guys. I don't trust the market when high impact news are being released. So remember that the news don't don't decide the overall direction. News, they create volatility on the market. So this is USD ZAR. This is what I see on USD ZAR. So yeah, we're currently running on a small loss. So let's go to the chart and I'll explain to you what I see on USD ZAR for CPI today. Okay, guys, we are back on the chart. I've opened my trading view. So I'll take you through on what I see on USD ZAR for CPI today, guys. I'll tell you why I've placed that trade. Okay, first of all, as you can see, I've done my analysis on the 1 hour time frame on USD ZAR. I've only used the 1 hour time frame, guys. As you can see, USD ZAR on the 1 hour time frame has been on an uptrend. It's been printing higher highs and higher lows. So this was our break of structure here, and also here we had a break of structure here. So for me, I saw that the market has been printing higher highs and higher lows on the 1 hour time frame. So this structure is very clear to me, and I also see a very nice order block. But before we get there, let's mark our swing point. This will be our swing low here, and this up there is our swing high. As you can see, guys, basically we're ranging from this high over here and to this low below here. So looking at this market structure, I know that okay, we are on an uptrend now. So the next step is to identify our point of interest. Point of interest is the area where we're interested in to taking our trades. So I only saw one point of interest here. I saw this order block here. Okay, after seeing this order block, I mark my order block here. Okay, point of interest here. Okay, this is my point of interest that I marked. I remember price was around here when I was busy analyzing this setup. Price was around here. So After seeing this was my point of interest. This is the area I was interested in, and I also saw this as a nice liquidity area here. This was a nice liquidity area here. So after marking my liquidity areas here, we need to see order blocks that are not mitigated. If an order block is mitigated, it means that there's a low probability that that order block will hold price. So we need to see a fresh unmitigated order block. So this was the only fresh unmitigated order block that I saw. And above that order block, there's liquidity created. There's another confluence, and also there's little imbalance here. As you can see, there's little imbalance here. The candle here created a gap. From this candle here to this candle, there's a gap. As you can see, that's another confluence, guys. So first of all, I was waiting for price to come to our point of interest, and then when price came to our point of interest, I was interested in switching to a lower time frame for my entry, guys, because I like using two time frames. The first time frame for my order flow to see where the market wants to go, and the second time frame, that will be the lower time frame for my entry. I get my entry on the lower time frame, but on this setup here, I only used one time frame because I saw something like this, guys. I also trade. I also use smart money combined with Falcon patterns. Sometimes I first started with that strategy and then evolved to entering my trades using two time frames, entering on the lower time frame. So when I see a Falcon pattern is the Falcon pattern is the confirmation for me. I don't need to go on the lower time frame for getting my entries. If I see a Falcon pattern, I'll use that Falcon pattern as my confirmation entry. So this is what I saw, guys. I saw this as a nice Falcon pattern. So I, there was no need for me to go to lower time frame because I've been using the strategy a lot, guys. When you go to lower time frames, most of the time you don't get entries, so it's better to enter on the Falcon pattern that you see here. Okay, as you can see, guys, I saw this as a nice Falcon pattern. So I was waiting for price to, as you can see, this is our first touch here, second touch here, and I was waiting for price to create a third touch here. This is exactly where I wanted to enter. So as you can see, I wanted price to create the third touch here in correlation with our order block. The third touch of this Falcon pattern must be in correlation with this point of interest, guys. As you can see here, we had our first touch, second touch, and we had a third touch here. I remember placing my buy limit here. I entered, I think, around here, and stop loss a little below this order block here, and my take profit is this high here, guys. So this is what I see on USD ZAR. This is why I entered on USD ZAR, guys. Remember that the price moves with impulse and correction. So I saw this as a correction here, and then price impulse to the upside. So this is a Falcon pattern. As you can see, price is retracing to the order block. Very corrective. This is what we want to see. We want to see price retracing to our order blocks. Very corrective before we enter. If price makes a V shape, maybe it doesn't correct, it just go up and go down. So that that setup has a low probability of playing out. We want to see price correcting and giving us some sort of a correction of Falcon pattern, going to our order blocks, and that's when we'll be interested in getting our entries. So this is what I see on USDZ, guys. I see USDZ buying for CPI today, but the market, as you can see here, the market has been choppy, has been correcting. I don't like when price starts correcting in my order blocks. So that's why I'm interested to see maybe price, if price pushes a little above, then I'll move my stop loss to break even, guys. Because CPI today at 2:30 South African time, CPI. So yeah, guys, I'll give you an update later on how the trade is playing out. So yeah, I'll see you on a few minutes, guys. Okay, guys, we're back. So this is the trade update so far, guys. This is how the trade is going. But so far the trade looks so good, guys. It looks so good. Price is really engaging to the upside. So what I'm looking to do now, as you can see, now is 6 minutes past 2. So on 2:30 we have CPI news, guys. We have CPI news. So I'll be looking forward to move my stop loss to break even here. Maybe when there's 5 minutes left for the CPI news to be released, I'll move my stop loss to break even, guys. So if price decides to take me out, at least I won't lose anything, guys. It will have taken me out on break even. So far the trade looks so good. It looks so good. Price came to our order block. It corrected a bit, but as you can see, pushed to the upside and closed above the order block that I marked there. So okay, guys, I'll give you an update. Give you an update later after the CPI news has been released. So yeah, let's get it. Okay, guys. I'm back with an update. As you can see, the trade went against us, guys. The trade went against us, as you can see on the chart. Price, it hit our stop loss. So it's no big deal. It's no big deal. Losses are part of the game, guys. Losses are part of the game. Remember that you won't win every trade that you take. So yeah, especially when there's high impact news, most of the time they affect technical analysis. They don't respect technical analysis, guys. So yeah, I'm glad that I didn't risk that much. Because I knew that CPI would maybe affect my setup. That is why. So off we go to the next trade, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment what you took in this video, guys. And comment what you took in this video. So for me, it's back to the drawing board, guys. I'll take a screenshot of this setup before and after and take some notes and see where I made a mistake. That is how you improve as a trader, guys. That is how you improve as a trader. You must take screenshots of your setups, guys. Whether it was a losing trade or winning trade, you must take screenshots every time you enter a trade, guys. So yeah, guys, see you on the next video. Away.